Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I want to give you a really quick video, under 5 minutes, but I want to give you a huge advantage if you're just starting out with Clickbank or if you're thinking of promoting products. This will give you a huge advantage. What I'm going to do is explain very simply. I hope you think it's simple, because if you use it, it will give you a huge advantage compared to other people trying to promote products. So if you're a brand new affiliate, the general thing that happens with new affiliates is they go and pick top gravity products, they grab their affiliate link, and then they go around the web pasting that affiliate link round, hoping to make sales. And you can make sales like that, but you're hoping that they go straight to a sales page and they buy. So I'll give you a quick example. I've picked a sort of abstract product because I want to show you something here, and I'm going to show you how to promote it, okay, to actually make sales. And if you do it like this, you're going to get a huge difference in your sales, and also you're going to make sales with far less visits, which is good. Okay, so if you want this done for you, if you want a funnel set up for you, a very simple funnel set up for you, all the emails written, completely set up, do check out the link below. There's a bit of time left to get in on the easy CB method, and what it will do, there's also a video that will run you through, but it basically allows you to get set up, and it gives you everything that you need to be able to get up and running. All you need to do is follow it step by step and you'll be able to get set up. And there's a traffic plan in there, and I also write all of the emails for you and set up the entire funnel for you as well. So all you need to do is promote it, okay? And I also give you all the materials to do that as well with the traffic plan. The traffic plan itself is really easy. I think you'll love it, so do check it out. You also get all the bonuses, so you'll be able to see a case study where I'm following exactly the same thing in there as well. I give you bonus traffic sources, not just one but a good few in there that you can use, and I also give you support, which is strange putting that on a bonus because everyone says they give support, but I pride myself on my support. As it says there, I actually answer emails personally and I will help you. I've actually got videos in the membership that I've made specifically for the questions that are coming in, so you'll get full help. And that's why I added that as a bonus, because most people don't really support. You buy a product, you never hear from them again, or it takes days and days to get an answer. If you want to get your questions answered and you want to get going, I think you'll love the support, and you also get personal coaching for free. So do check out the video below. It's the links below. You'll see this video here. It will guide you through exactly what you get, and it will allow you to get this done, up and running. And then all you have to do is follow the traffic plan. It's got a full guarantee as well, so follow the traffic plan and get some results. But there's not a lot of time left on the timer, so make sure that you check that out below. Okay, without further ado, I want to give you an example of a product, or not an example but a real product, and tell you exactly how to promote it really simply, really quickly. And this is basically, if you do this, you'll get far better results. So number one, I have picked vertical jump training. Bit of a strange product. I've done it deliberately because I want to show you, not stereotypical products and all the same ones. I want to show you how you could promote this. So what normally happens is people would grab their affiliate link, they'd find areas where people are hanging out that want jump training, like basketball forums and stuff like that, and they'd start pasting their link around. What you want to do, this is the difference, you want to set up a very simple funnel with an email opt-in with a free course, okay? Whether that be a free PDF, a webinar, it doesn't really matter as long as the information's good and as long as the information helps them. And I'll give you a quick example. What you could do with this is set up a 3-day course. Day one, you could give them some information on jumping technique. Remember, their main aim, this is the key thing that I want to impart to you. You want to help them get to their main goal. So if they're going to buy a product like this, they genuinely want to jump higher, and 9 times out of 10 it's to slam dunk a basketball, okay? So actually help them with that. Actually give them some advice and help with that will move them along. And if you move them closer to the goal, you don't need to worry about sales, okay? I'll explain that. Basically, let's say they get email 1 and your email one says, thank you for signing up for the free course. In this email, we are going to show you the perfect jumping technique. Okay, so then you need to have good stuff, and you need to be able to actually do that and help them with that. Okay, so it does involve research, or you could actually outsource it and get someone that knows what they're doing to do a video for you and actually show proper jumping technique. But let's assume here that it's good information. Okay, so they get that information, they get that first email for free, and it explains proper jumping technique. And then you literally put after that in the same email, I hope you enjoyed that first video. If you just want to get on and you want to be able to slam dunk a basketball quicker than ever, do check out Vert Shock. The link's below, and it will allow you to add at least 9 to 15 inches to your vertical jump in less than 8 weeks. Then you put the link. No heavy sales pitch, because then they go to this page. You've helped them, okay, given them really good information on how to improve their jump. Then they go here and they see all the sales page and the testimonials, and you let the sales page do its job. So instead of just spamming a link, you've actually helped them. You've actually given them an email and then some extra help as well. And then the next day they get another email, okay, and that might be you've covered technique, so it might cover a bit of strength training for the legs. Okay, to improve your jump height, you're going to need stronger legs. This is some advice on strength training. Okay, so you could then explain that and give them some advice on strength training. And the same thing, check out the Vert Shock if you want to take it further and learn, and you put all the benefits. Okay, but not a heavy pitch at all. The third email, you could have how to build explosiveness. So you need to explode. You need to really not just jump, but you need to be able to put your whole body into it and explode higher. And you could explain how to do that. This is specific to this niche. And then just a little saying, if you want to learn how to do this, and you could put a bit about the guy that's created it and how it works, and link into the page, and you let the sales page do the job. And then the fourth email, so day 4, you could do a look at Vert Shock. So you could get a behind the scenes, you could buy the product, you could look in the members, not give anything away, but you could show them inside. And the beauty is, once you've got this set up, assuming you had all those stepping stones in place, once you've got it set up, your sales will go way up, because you're not just spamming your link around. You've got a proper little system, a little funnel. You've got something that you can build off in the future and make more elaborate and more complicated if you wanted to. And all you need to do then is know how to promote that link to that opt-in page. And you're building a list, and at any point you can broadcast those people with free stuff, like products, so other products that they might be interested in, like actual basketball training and so on. And that's how I highly recommend. That's an example of how to promote a product. If you can do that, you are cutting yourself years of frustration, because most people never get anything set up like that. Now, I know it's not as easy as what I've just said, because you have to research and you have to know how to write the emails. So if that sounds like something that you want to do check out the link below, and you'll get help with it, because you actually get it done for you. I'll set the whole thing up for you with the easy CB method. It hasn't got a lot of time left on the clock, but you get a funnel set up for you for a really good product. Not the Vert Shock one, but I research product, I write the emails, I set the whole thing up for you, and I give you the full traffic plan so you can start making sales. So if that sounds of interest, and you get all the bonuses I mentioned before at the start, and I'd love to have you. I'd love to show you the case study as well. If you're going to join us, that's fantastic. Check out the link below. If not, just do it that way, okay? The only question marks that come then is how to write the emails, and that will depend on what niche you're in. You need to have good information, okay? So the hardest thing about what I've just said is being able to write the emails in your niche, because you need to be able to have good stuff. Like the vertical shock training, if you're just sending emails that aren't that good and they don't really feel that they're getting much help, it's not going to work, okay? The key thing that I want you to take away is by helping, you don't have to worry about selling. So I hope that's helped you, and given you at least an insight into a really cool way and an easy way to get a simple funnel built that will actually make you more sales without the frustration. If you want to join us, do check out the link below. I'd love to have you, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.